Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title below, I'll be doing a day in my life today in Falmouth right now in a taxi, waiting to go around to my workplace. It's now 9:50 something, I'm late. Nobody else not coming in a taxi right now. I'm going to reach a little bit late. So yeah, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video as well. So yeah, as I go on, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm finally here. I'm a little bit late. Not my fault, the taxi took too long to full or get people. So that is the reason why I'm a little bit late. I think. So everybody will be in red today because, as I said before, we're having staff social. So that's why I'm bringing you along. You know, if it was like regular work day, we're boring and lame. Oh no, no, see this. Trust me. So yeah, I'm going into the office right now. So yeah, man. Good morning. I'm going to eat right now before I start anything. Yeah. It's a tradition to be weighed in the office. Let us see. No, 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 no. Oh, Lord. One,
You can step off.
152. Hi guys, so I'm back again. Remember that I said today is staff social, so we are on our way to Montego Bay to start the festivities and everything. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Remember I said this is a day in my life. The only reason why you're getting this is because today is a different day from the regular work day. We are going out of the office and you know, just to have a good time, socializing with each other. Even though it is the pandemic, we'll be taking precautions just the same, but we will still be having a good time. So I'm bringing you guys along with me, so stay tuned for the ride, stay tuned for the journey, and I hope that you guys come out for this one just as though you come out for all the other videos. Love you guys and stay tuned. Okay guys, so we have arrived and we are at Peppers. So if you know Peppers in Montego Bay, comment down below. No mask, no entry, and I have on my mask. This is the lovely security officer doing his just sanitize and the temperature check. I'm going to rub my other hand. So thank you. What is your name?
My name is Kevin, yeah?
Hi Kevin. Say hi to Kevin in the comments. So we are going in right now. I'm going to show you guys around as well, alright? See? You just press it up and it like, this is so cool. The noise from the traffic, but so we're going to play some games, eat some food, and just just enjoy a little time out together. But yeah, so if you guys know Peppers, if you have been to Peppers before, comment down below. Alright guys, so I'm ordering fish, so I have to come and choose the fish that I want. So that's what I'm doing currently. I want 1 pound fish for one still because it's 15 ounces per pound.
It's going to go on. So tax is going to go on it, so it's 17.50.
Somewhere 17.50. So 1500 plus tax 17.50. Huh? Fries. We're doing fries and juice. How much first? I want 1 pound fish never.
100 kg.
See fish them here.
I'm not choosing.
Yes sir. What look like 1 pound fish in this?
Oh, 2 esco here.
2.
1 pound.
Because when I come here, if it's done with money. So then my fish we may have to choose from. Games time.
Oh, my dear child. You always take long to... No.
No.
You always take long to born, you know. That becoming a one on cheese.
Oh.
So you know next time you see me after the wings. Now so you come and test out, you know.
It's chicken, right?
Yes, please. Arrive. Finally arrived. My fish is here. Alright guys, so we just received our meals as you can see. So we go and grub now inside with a cup.
I'm not sure, sweetie. This is
And
our
see,
hand
so-
hygiene.
Alright guys, I cannot go any further with this. This is it for me. Because I already had appetizer. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but this is the most I can do. So box to go, man. Full. I'm like full. What is your name?
What's your name?
Corey.
Corey.
Alright guys, so we are leaving and we did have a great time. So this is where I'm going to actually end this vlog. After this I'm going straight home just to chill, just to relax, and that's it. Yeah, so this is basically what happens on a day like this, one day you know, in my life. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed. Don't forget as usual to leave a like, comment on the video as always, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like, go now wait for if you not subscribe it. If your subscribe button still ready, you're not ready yet. You're not ready yet. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.